Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix error code 15103 platform banned in Delta Force. So first of all, you want to go to the website called play.deltaforce.com and you want to log into your account. So you're going to enter your email and then you're going to click get the code. Now, after you are logged into your account, you want to go to Service Center at the top and click on Customer Service. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see report / penalty. On here, you want to go ahead and click on why was my account banned or muted. You want to go ahead and read that and then click Contact Us option and submit the issue. So you're gonna choose penalty appeal. Then you're gonna select the date, time. Let's, for example, enter that one, game platform, PC version or mobile. Then you're gonna enter the issue description. You're gonna write down that you've been banned. And then you want to click I know and agree, and then enter your email address, and again enter a verification code and submit it, and you will hear from them with an answer. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.